On July 4th, 1776, a new nation was born. But that America would be unrecognizable to us. It was a world of quill pens and candlelight. Amazing fact, Congress actually voted for independence on July 2nd. The 4th was just the day the paperwork was finished. By the 1800s, the fight was against distance. The railroad became the nation's iron pulse. In 1830, a steam engine lost a race to a horse. People laughed, but the steam engine had the last laugh. Then, the lights came on. Edison conquered the night. Henry Ford conquered the factory. By 1913, his assembly line dropped the price of a car from $800 to just $260. This wasn't just industry, it was the birth of the middle class. Post-war America was a boom. The 1950s gave us the Interstate Highway, the largest public works project in human history. We weren't just moving faster, we were living bigger. In 1969, we conquered the stars. But a smaller revolution was brewing, the internet. We moved from physical power to processing power. Silicon Valley replaced the steel mill.
America is a work in progress. It's a nation of constant upgrading. A final thought as we look toward the next century, take roughly. The question isn't if we will change, it's how far we are willing to go. What will the next 100 years look like?